Today I'm going to be transforming this closet right behind me. I'm going to make it over into the closet that I want, okay? This is ugly, right? One thing that I want to do is organize it. Everything will have a place. I'm gonna be making this into something a little bit more interesting and a little bit more my style. So here we go. So now that the closet is all stripped down and painted, we can start with the shelves and the frame for the entrance. 3 1x5 boards, and I just have to cut them down to size. And then for the shelves that go into the closet, that'll hold the shoes, I'm going to just stain it because they're already cut down to the size that they need to be. Okay, so we're back in the closet while we're waiting on the wood to dry from the shelves and the framing. I'm going to start putting in the lights. So I bought these LED lights a while ago. I knew I wanted them, I just didn't know where I wanted to put them, but now I have somewhere. I can't think of a more perfect place to put them than here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest.